Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday.
Wow, happy birthday! Wow!
To you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, di ba?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy. Ma'am Rodilla, happy. Ikapilang ang birthday, ma'am. 50th birthday. Dali, ma'am.
5 dekada. 5 dekada.
Okay, so Ma'am Rodilla, happy 50th birthday sa imo. Ay, ni idea ma'am ko, asa gikan ang pa-surprise. Wala, Jud? Apa nga? Wala. Okay, so mahibala na nimo niya ma'am. Kay, tama mi basahan na message mo? Ikan sa nagpaabot lagi. Okay, so ma'am, ang nagpa-surprise, nagpaandam niya, pa-flower. Dali ma'am, sino?
Wala ko pa-flower kayo.
And of course, kahit pa wine, pa cake, and mug, and picture ni mo sa tarpaulin. Di ba ganun naman? Ayaw kahadlok sa mga. Okay, so ma'am. Kami basahan na mensahe. Mabaili nila sa likod. May kami ang yes na mga agoy kartrang surprise. So, binibigyan ka rin nag-message sa mga nga i-surprise ka sa imong 50th birthday. So, wag ito ako naman. So, asa gikan. Sure na yun. Okay, so ma'am, nami basahon niya kuan. Ya, mensahe para sa inyo. Ma'am. Okay, so dali lang. Okay, so parang message ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Blowing candle this day. May the Lord bless you abundantly. May Almighty God bless you with many years to come. No birthday wishes long paragraph can express how much I appreciate you. Your birthday. Caption is short but wishing you everything that brings happiness for you today and always. I am really thankful to have a friend like you. I hope your special day brings all your heart desires because I can find the best caption to define you. This birthday message are enough to express in words of genuine and unconditional love that have you. Happy birthday to and it count your life by smile, not tears. Count your age by friend, not tears. Happy birthday. I have all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. I wish you on your birthday whatever you ask may you receive, whatever you seek may you find, whatever you wish may it be fulfilled on your birthday, and always happy birthday. Another adventure filled year awaits you. Welcome it by celebrating your birthday wishes, birthday wishing you a very happy birthday. Once again, happy birthday madam. Okay, secret pala na din mo niya. Any idea ba basta gikan ang okay, so ma'am, unsa may masulti nimo sa ipaabot ka man ang surprise diya sa imo? Dali ka na ma'am.
Wilak di ay.
Wala ka na mo awaya ma'am ha.
Wilak di ay.
Magkulang ka ka.
Wilak di ay.
Sa iya, nabinti naman sa surprise mo. Salamat sa iyo. Surprise. Hindi si Miriano eh. Oo, kabalo kay tutuloy pa sa ga-online po. Okay, sa pama. Salamat sa iyo mo. Kung natin mong wish ma'am, para sa, wish, imo ang message, di ka na nagpa-surprise. Salamat kayo sa iyo. Okay, so ma'am. Ako nagdaho mo na siya surprise. Okay. So, mana to ma'am? Di mo gani ma'am, di mo makapag. Anak ni mo ma'am, di imong anak. Si sir, dali sir, wish mo para kang mother. Go sir.
Kagaya niyo, surprise mo din eh. Taso, sir. Kaya makansong masakit. Layo. Wala to.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ako mama.
Okay, sir, okay, si sir. Ali sir. Kasi wish mo sir para sa mong partner.
Oh, taas pa ang kinabuhi, no, di makusa kanya bilang dia po. Yang ayo. Selamat tahun.
Okay, para ta sir, imong birthday wish. Para sa mong, wala kiss na sir para kang ma.
Ay, nayo, Yesus.
Siyempre. Ay, happy birthday. Okay. So, ma'am, naipakik, kagipaandam ang nagpa-surprise ani ma'am. Kanta sa ka na mong birthday song.
Surprise.
Sa iyo, ano ang secret? Baka na mo ron ma'am, paguman. Okay, so ma'am, kantahan ka na mong birthday song. Okay, siya sa ka, bago nung palungon ibang candle, no? Okay. So, kantahan na to si ma'am ang birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish, ma'am, then blow your candle.
Okay, wala. Balong. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th
Let's go.
birthday, Ma'am Rubilia! Happy birthday!
Sino Manila, so daw ni.
Colors in time.
Sino Manila, so.